Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class, we will discuss about activity and exercises of chapter 5 in science. So, let us start with activity of page number 61. Activity page number 61. How does a mosquito obtain its food? Answer is mosquitoes have a special mouth part for piercing and sucking blood. You know that mosquito don't eat any food. They suck the blood of other animals. So, they have a special type of mouth part that is piercing part in their mouth that suck the blood of other animals. In this picture you can see the mosquito and its piercing mouth part that help them to suck the blood. Now question number 2, name two birds that can't fly. Two birds that can't fly are emu and kiwi. You can see the picture of emu in this page, and we will see the picture of kiwi also. You can see the kiwi, another bird that is flightless bird. Their bodies are heavy compared to their short feathers, so they can't fly. Now question number 3, how do herbivores and carnivores have different types of teeth? Answer is herbivores and carnivores. You know herbivores eat only plant products, so their teeth is designed to eat the plant product only. They have sharp front teeth called incisors for biting and broad teeth called molars and premolars for chewing the food. They have to bite the grasses and plant leaves and branches, so they have sharp incisors to cut these grasses, and they have broad teeth called molars and premolars to chew this grass and leaf or branches of the trees. Whereas carnivores have sharp and pointed front teeth called canines, because they have to tear the flesh, that help them to tear the flesh, and they have strong molars for chewing the flesh and bones. They have to chew the flesh, so they have strong molars to chew this flesh and bones. You can see here teeth of herbivores and carnivores. You can see the teeth of herbivore given here, that is sharp biting incisors, and in carnivores you can see sharp canines for tearing the flesh. Question number 4. How are humans able to do so many things with their four limbs? Answer is humans have the advantage of the four limbs by which they can pick up and carry objects. Their four limbs are used as arms, and they help to do many different types of work with the help of their arms, because the position of the thumb opposite to the fingers enables them to hold the different things and do different jobs with the help of their arms. That is called forelimb. You can see the arms in this picture, the left and right arm. The thumb is opposite to the fingers that enable the hand to hold the things properly. Now we will see about exercises. Exercise A, tick the correct answer. Question number 1, whales and dolphins breathe through. Option A, nose, B, blowholes, C, skin, and D, spiracles. So answer will be blowholes. We know that whales and dolphins are mammals, and they don't have gills like fish to breathe in water. They have blowholes. Time to time they have to come up from the water, and they take in air through their blowholes. Question number 2, which of the following animals covered with shell? A, snail, B, penguin, C, bear, and D, lion. Answer is A, snail. Snail body is covered with shell that protect them from their enemies. They hide their body inside the shell when they feel any danger. Question number 3, insects breathe through series of tiny holes along the sides of their bodies called A, gills, B, scales, C, spiracles, D, skin. So that answer is C, spiracles, because spiracles are the holes along the side of their body that help them to take in air. You can see breathing through blowholes in whales and dolphins. Blowhole is shown in the picture. In this, they breathe through these blowholes. In insect also, breathing organ you can see spiracles, the holes in the side of their body. Now question number 4. Most snakes move with the help of their A, fins, B, scales, C, legs, D, fur. We know that we have snakes have scales over their body that help them to move. Answer B, scales, is the correct option. Question number 5. Emu is A or N? A, amphibian, B, flightless bird, C, reptile, D, mammals. So we know that emu is a flightless bird, so option B is correct. You can see the picture of emu. It is a flightless bird because their feathers are shorter as compared to their body weight, so they cannot fly in the air. Now question number B, fill in the blanks. Frogs breathe through their dash when in water. Answer is skin. They have moist skin in the water. With that they take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Question number 2, Arctic tern is a dash bird. We know that Arctic tern is a migratory bird. It migrates in the winter season from North Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle. Again in the summer they go back to Arctic Circle again. Question number 3, dash feeds on decaying animals. We know that decomposers feed on decaying animals, so answer will be decomposers. You can see here how does frog breathe in water. But with the help, frog breathes through skin in the water. They take in oxygen and carbon dioxide with the help of their skin. Arctic tern, you can see this is an Arctic tern that migrates. It is a migratory bird that moves from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle. Question number 4, butterflies feed on nectar with the help of, they have a special mouth part called proboscis. With the help of that they suck the nectar from the flowers. Question number 5, an eel migrates to the, answer is sea. They remain in fresh water but they went to sea. They go to sea every year to breed. Proboscis you can see in butterflies. They with the help of this proboscis, butterflies suck the nectar from the flowers. You can see eel, a migratory fish. They migrate to sea. Now write question number C, write true or false. Question number 1, a tortoise has scales all over the body. It is false. Tortoise has scale over their body. Question number 2 is, polar bear's body is covered with fur. It is true because they live in polar region and that is very harsh winter condition is there, so their body is covered with thick fur. A fish is an amphibian. It is false. Question number 4, a tiger is a carnivore. Yes, it is true. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. They eat the flesh of other animals. Question number 5, breathing organ of dogs are gills. It is false. Dog is a mammal. Their breathing organ is lungs. Now D, question number D, one word answers. Question number 1, animal that eat plants. Answer is herbivores. Herbivores eat plants product. Question number 2, animals that eat flesh. Answer is carnivores. Flesh eating animals are known as carnivores. Question number 3, front legs of a tiger is called forelimbs. Question number 4, breathing organ of a fish is gills. They breathe with the help of gills in the water. Question number 5, the skin of a crocodile is covered with, answer is scales. Crocodile skin is covered with scales. You can see herbivorous animal, cow, zebra, goat, elephant, horse, rhinoceros. These are herbivorous animals. They depend on plant products. Here carnivorous animals, these animals eat the flesh of other animals. You can see different types of carnivores, lion, cheetah, wolf, hyena, tiger, eagle, etc. Gills is a breathing organ of a fish. You can see in this picture gills. So thank you student. We will meet in the next class again. Thank you.